the line, we'll do the reading corrections on the board. So I just want you to follow us as we proceed. It's very simple. So we'll still be starting with the electricity first. That was Waec 2020. Waec 2020 electricity. So journey with us as we go. So just as we continue, we'll be looking at this the diagram for Waec 2022. So we'll be looking at the way the diagram is. We have the ammeter. This is the ammeter. This is the ammeter. We can see the reading of the ammeter from 0 to 3 ampere. And if we are dealing, you see the negative here, you see the positive here. This is also another positive. This is 3 ampere, this is 15 ampere from 0 to 3. If I place my DC cable here now, it will read from the upper one from 0 to 3. But if I place the positive, my DC cable on this positive side here, it will read the lower part. But I'll be dealing with 3 ampere because of the measure of my voltage. My voltage is just 3.0 volt, which is 1.5 plus 1.5. It's connected in series. Then that's that for the ammeter. You know ammeter majorly. We use ammeter for measuring current, DC current. Then we have the resistance. This is the resistor here. Is used for measuring resistance. This is 1 ohm. This is a standard resistor. It's not a variable resistor. And we have what we call a resistance bus. This is a variable resistor. You realize that here you have 1 ohm. If I'm putting this on 1 ohm here, you see times 1. That's on 1 ohm. If I'm told to calculate 2 ohm, it will be 2, 3. Then you realize that later I may be told to find, maybe I have a measurement that deal with like 60 ohms. I will just place this on 6. The other ones will be on 0. This one I will adjust it to be on 0 so that it does not have effect on it. Because resistance bus is a conglomeration of various type of resistors that are connected in series. So you see 0 here, you see 0 here, you see 0 here. I put it on the reset of 0. So it will not be another load on this particular resistance bus. So this is 60 ohms now. If I place it on 3, it will indicate 30 ohms there because it's times 10. So I can take it back to 0. If you look at here, this is 0 here. If I take this times 100, if I place it on 1 now, it will be 100 ohms. If I place it on 2, it will be 200 ohms. The same way, maybe I'm dealing with an higher resistor that involves like 1000. If I place it on here, this will be 1000. I place it on here, it will be 2000. I place it on here, it will be 3000. So I will still initialize everything back to 0. That's that about the resistance bus. So it's a variable resistor. It's not a standard resistor. The same way it does the same work like a normal real star 2. Real star 2, we have variable resistor, that is 2 or 3 resistors or as many resistors that can easily help us moderate the flow of current within the circuit. Then this is your